In my office, I've gone to great lengths to make it a really welcoming environment by adding lots of plants. On my desk, I've got one particular plant that at the moment is just growing on my mic stand. It's a Hoya, which is a growing vine. The main problem is every time I want to move the boom arm, the plant has to come with it. And I'm afraid that this might pinch the plant or create some stress. And whilst it looks quite nice, there's a better solution at hand. So the solution I'm going to go with is running some twine from the plant itself up to the corner of the room. The first step is anchoring the twine to the plant base. I'm going to use a simple eye bolt. Now it came with a couple of nuts and washers, so I'm going to make use of these. So the first step is to first put one of these nuts on, and then I'm going to put the two washers in there. One would be sufficient, but the idea with this is that it's actually going to provide, a bit of an anchor in the soil. So I'm going to bury this end into the soil and leave just the eye out the top, which I'm going to tie the twine to in the plant, which will then run up to the next location. So I'm going to take this and just slowly and gently work it down into the soil. Trying not to damage the roots too much and get it as close to the stem as possible. And then I'm just going to compact the soil in around it nice and tight. Now for the top point, I'm just going to use a little eye hook. Fortunately, there's already a couple of holes in the corner where I wanted it to go, so I'm just going to thread this into there. Alright, the next step is to tie off this end. Okay, the next step, now that we've tied off, is to actually wrap fairly close spirals around the main runner. The reason you want close spirals is so that it just creates a bit firmer, structural integrity for the rope or the twine. As this is going to be moving, I want it to be fairly well supported. Now I'm going to take the loose end and feed it through the loop. Now I'm just going to take this weight and tie it to the other end.